want to draw two birds and on a stick, and these are my colors, and this is my painting board. So I couldn't make the painting yesterday. I was tired when we got back from our outing. So I'm going to this is what I'm working with. And we are going to make a beautiful painting for our wall. Today we are going to explore the fascinating world of geometric art. So let's get started with our creative video. First, draw an X, which is the foundation of our design. Then you draw a big circle at the tips of the X. After that, you draw a small circle in the big circle to form the eyes. Then the next thing we are going to do is to draw a big C to form the body of the birds. You draw it this way. Then let's draw the tail by drawing a V this way and joining the tips together. We are almost done with our drawing. Then let's draw the branch which the bird is going to stand on. Draw a straight line, another straight line, another straight line, and the last straight line. Then you draw the legs. You don't need to be a professional to draw these drawings. It's very easy to draw, and anyhow you draw it, it's going to come out beautiful. So after that, you begin to paint with preferred choice of color. I chose blue and red because I want the painting to be bright colors. At this point, I forgot to draw the wings, but I'm still going to draw it later in this video. So you paint with your color and fill in the spaces, the empty space, with your colors. And that's me drawing the wings. And our painting is ready. You begin to fill it out with the colors you want. And lastly, I drew the beak, the mouth of the birds later. And we have our beautiful painting. So quick and easy to draw. So this is what my painting looks like. It's very easy to make. It took less than 10 minutes to draw and paint this. So if you like this kind of video, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to create more simple videos like this. And the inspiration behind this painting is summer vibes. Because we are in summer, we wanted to make our living space more colorful and bright. That's why I decided to make this painting, and it's pretty. And we're going to hang it on the wall now, and some other things I bought to make this space come alive. So if you will be trying this out, let me know in the comment section. You can try it out with your kids. I also have some other simple paintings that you can engage your children with during this summer. Let's hang. Where should we hang the painting? Go and open the door. So this is my son's painting. He was doing his while I was drawing mine. So I am done with the little pop of colors I want to put in this living space. So I hope it's pretty and colorful enough. I just thought to make this place look a little bit more summery. You know, summer is filled with colors and all those beautiful, nice things. So that's why I decided to brighten up this space a bit. If you watch up to this point, that means you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video.